uh, overlooking doon sa Sogod Bay area. Ayun, yung mga ilaw doon maliliit, yun na yung dagat doon. So pasyal tayo dito. So ito yung mga upuan nila dito. Gusto mong mag muni-muni or mag coffee, ayan, mayroon din silang mga rooms doon na available. So ito na yung hagdanan, no, papuntang baba. Ayan, tingnan natin to kanilang arc. May arc dito, no, ayan, Japanese arc. Hi son, you want to have swimming for tonight, darling? Yeah, okay.
It's very deep.
Yeah, very deep. Yeah, it's alright.
Maybe it's okay for me.
It's okay for you. Ayan. So yun na. Ang ganda dito.